We're all spending more time at home, an opportunity to learn new skills and refine the ones you know. This week, our friend the Angry Barista is here to help you make the perfect cup. Let's review some of the factors that might be keeping you from that great morning mug. Grinding your own beans? Always do so within 30 minutes of brewing. Otherwise, gases in the coffee exchange with oxygen, meaning you'll miss out on some subtle flavor. If you live in an area with hard water, you'll have a hard time getting a good cup of coffee. It may be worth purchasing a water filter pitcher for your perfect cup. Getting the correct water temperature for your coffee is kind of a big deal. And for the perfect brew, you should be 195 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Don't know if your auto drip is getting hot enough? Run your machine without coffee and use a thermometer to measure. Stay tuned for more coffee brewing tips to help you get the perfect brew every morning.